Hello there, my name's Cogger, I'm from Jestic Foodservice. Lucky enough to be here in Germany at the MKN factory to introduce to you the new grease collection system from the MKN. We're looking here at the FlexiCombi, looking here at the 10 grid. This also comes in a 6 and a 20 grid, but we will be cooking our chickens in this unit. MKN FlexiCombi, fantastic energy savings thanks to its triple glazed one-piece door and the well-beating insulation within the chamber. FlexiCombi, as you can see by the size, it also gives you a lot more capacity. What we have here, we have a 1x1 GN runner that will fit into every combi on the market. The FlexiCombi has its patented FlexiRack, gives you up to 50% more capacity per shelf. Much more volume out of the one oven. And as we're focusing on the grease collection system, we're going to be cooking you some chickens. Chickens produce a lot of fat. So what you would expect is the grease collection system and the self-cleaning. Put the self-cleaning tablet in there, does it all. It will also collect its HACCP data, so you are fine with everything you need to do. One cartridge, one clean on the MKN FlexiCombi. So we talk more about the WaveClean a little bit later as we go into the cleaning cycle. We're preparing chickens, as we mentioned, in our FlexiCombi here. So why are we cooking chickens within a FlexiCombi? Well, using less energy. We know the energy efficiency, we've discussed the door and the chamber, but you're cooking much larger volumes within one chamber, therefore you're saving lots of energy. You're getting a much better quality product, moisture retention. That moisture retention leads to a better holding and a longer holding within your hot hold environment, wherever you're serving it into. Mention the capacity from it. You're getting much less weight loss. We're using spatchcock chicken on the FlexiRacks within the FlexiCombi, but you can also use the more traditional style if you wanted to do the whole birds. Place them on here, heat gets up inside, cooks them a lot quicker from the inside there. You can fit 2 of these per shelf, so again, compared to other combi ovens, you get much more capacity out of the FlexiCombi. So that's what you could use. As I mentioned, we're using the FlexiRacks. So we'll show you our chicken now, which we have prepared here. So you can hear the buzzer going there. FlexiCombi is telling us that the oven is preheated and ready. So we can now load our chickens. We're using, for bulk purposes, the banqueting cart for your bulk capacity with a thermal cover to it. This just saves you your prep time. It can all be sitting there in the fridge, ready to go. Wheel them out, take off the cover one side at a time. Just get rid of that up there. As you can see, we're using the FlexiRacks on this trolley, so we have much more capacity, as we mentioned earlier. Roll it in, lock it into place. Use the handle there to roll it on in. Close the door and the cooking cycle continues. So the grease collection system is well underway now in this cooking process. In this process, we have the grease collection on all the time. You can have it on for certain parts of a cook and turn it on others, but as we're cooking the chickens, it's best to leave it on. What's happening now is all the grease and fat is dropping down into a tank, and the fat is being pumped elsewhere into a container. Going into a container means it's not going down our drain. If it's not going down our drain, it's not going into our sewers. So we're not creating any more fatbergs or adding to them. We're also not having to clean out any grease system that you might have within the waistline. So you're saving cleaning, you're saving time of someone having to do that. So to explain the grease collection system a little bit better, I'm going to go to a short animation. As you can see, it's a fully integrated system with no separate electrical supply needed. It actively pumps excess oils, fats and liquids from the chicken out of the FlexiCombi. The grease collection system is activated step by step during the cooking process. 100% collection of fat, oil and water coming out of cooked products. Fats and oils and cooking liquids can be collected in a separate container. Fully self-cleaning. As we mentioned, the self-cleaning system gets into all the right parts. So now the FlexiCombi has finished its cooking process and leaves us with this lovely green screen here, which is our green facts. It tells us the energy and the water. 1 litre of water was used in this cooking process. So we know that the grease collection system is not only green, but it's efficient. So now we're just going to show you, out of 30 chickens cooked in 50 minutes, the amount of fat and oils that have been separated. All this has just been saved from going down the drain. Get it collected, get it recycled, all that fat has just been saved. So I think it's about time we saw the end product. So we'll get rid of the grease over there. Don't forget we can get rid of that. Open up the door and bring over the trolley. Lock it into place. Just look at the results there. Top to bottom, front to back, all perfect end result. So let's cut one open. So let's just pick one, the closest one to us. They're all cooked the same. Take that out. I can already see the juices dripping off. So, look at that. Perfect, juicy, flavoursome chicken. I think I'll leave you on that note of how juicy that is. Hope you've taken away from this the grease collection system, how much it can save you. So it's a thank you from me. Thank you for watching.